Hello friends, today I am showing to you how to create a quiz in MS Team. As you can see on my desktop, there is an icon of Microsoft Team. First click on Microsoft Team, then it will be opened in a window. Hold a minute. Okay, now there are two options. You can create a quiz by these two options. One is go to through Teams, and one directly go to the assignment. There are the two icons in the left side of that window which was open in the MS Team, and there is a assignment. In assignment you go to like this. Here is the create, and then you go to quiz. Okay, now there are many quiz you can see here, but you also can go through the team. By the team you can select to which class you want to give that quiz. Like there are some classes in your MS Team. You can choose or pick any of the class for which you want to create a quiz. I just take first class and double click on that, and now creating a quiz for that class. Now you go to assignment which are shown above, like journal, post, file, class note, assignment. All these are the icons there. You go to the assignment, then again there is a create option, and you go to the create, and there is a option. Three things are there: assignment, quiz, and from existing. If you have any quiz already, then you can put from there, but most of the people do not know how to create a quiz, so we start with the new one quiz. Okay, and now we just click on the quiz button. Then there is a option, or you can see a separate window is open in which there are some quizzes, but in your case maybe there is no quiz because you do not create any of the quiz before that. Now you just click on the new quiz, and it will be open in the browser which will be you used, like Firefox or any Google Chrome, automatically, like forms.office.com. Here you can start to creating your quiz. First title to that quiz, like I am saying that just subject name AMP, and quiz name like quiz 10. Then you can add questions. There are the some question types. First is the choice, in which you can conclude the questions with the MCQs, and then text. If there is any question you want to answer for writing. Okay, if there is a question how many colors in a rainbow, then you give the option to text, then they can write any 4, 5, 6, 7. And rating is also there if you have any question and then you want to rate or feedback type. Okay, and then date is also, and you can choose. I just choose the multiple choice question. You can type question here, like this is question number 1, and you can type any of the question. Like I am having a question: how many colors in the rainbow? Okay, then you can check the options 2, 5, add more options. There is a option you can add more options, 3, 4, 5, any of the options you can add, like 7 and 9. These are the options. And there is one more thing, you can check in that answer which is correct. Just taking your cursor on the right side of that option, and here I am checking this is the correct answer. And you can see here this is the first question and it is visible to like this, but there is a tick sign for the correct answer. You can also tick more answers like this. There are two correct answers. If you do not allow this, then there is only one correct answer, and which one you want to pick, that you can pick. There is one more option that is required, means if any of one do not attempt this question, then quiz will be not be submitted, or you can say that that question will be compulsory. You can put the marks for that quiz question, like I am putting 1 mark for this question. Okay, then this is all. If you want to edit in this question, you just click any of the space near this question like this. Okay, and if you want to add any of the picture in this question, you can insert from there. There is image and video, you can add any of the things. Okay, and now just I am completing the quiz. You can add more new questions, like second question you want to, again you choose the choice. Okay, but I am just giving to you some brief, so that's why I am not adding more questions. Then you go to these 3 points and then click on that. There is a setting option, you just click on setting. Then you must turn off this icon option for quiz, because if you are turning in this option, then answer will be shown to that person immediately after his submission of the quiz. So sometime there are more than one person, so if any of the one them submit test before the time, he can see all the results and he can share with the others. So you can turn off this icon. Then in this, if you want to any change, like who can fill this form, anyone or in your organization, you can take according to that. Option for responses, accept responses. If you want to shuffle question, then you can shuffle, means the question number will be changed. Like if one candidate have first question, then another candidate maybe have 5th or 7th question. So that's why you can also take on this shuffle question, all questions or log question. If there is any question which is like compulsory first question, then you can tick on log question and just click on that question, first question. Then customize thank you message. If you want to show a message after submission of the quiz, you can type here, already there is a written message, that is your response was submitted. Then send email response. If you want to send their responses into on their email, they have an option, by checking this box, they can receive their responses on their mails. Like what it will be visible, there is a preview, you can see preview, you can see here how it will be visible to the attempter. And this is the quiz, like I am saying, AMP quiz number 10. There are the questions, and there is an option like send me an email response. If they want, then they can check in and then submit. Okay, now we are going to back. There is a back option, and you also can take a link to share this on the MS Team, and there is the link. You can copy it and you just simply paste that in the chat box of your MS Team. But if you want to put in the MS Team, then you go to back in MS Team, and there again these things are open as you already do all the things. If it will not come, then you go to again simply in team and then you select for which you want to give the quiz, and then again to assignment, or you can go through this assignment also. Then again click on create and go to quiz, and now you can see that quiz will be appear here like AMP. I am just creating this quiz now. Click on that quiz, then go to next button, and there will be a interface like this. You can see here this will be loading and it will be completed within a second. Then you can see there is an assign to, which class you want to assign. You can add more classes here also, like any of the class you want to give, you can add, or you can remove easily. Okay, like I am adding this class also. Then there are the two classes. If you want to remove any of the class, then you can remove also. Like you want to clear, just that is the one class. And you also can change the strength of the student, like how many students can give that quiz. You can select the student name. If you want to do that only a single student give that quiz, you can select only one student. If you want to give that quiz to whole class, then you can select the all students. But there is one thing, if you are adding two classes here, then there is no option to choosing the students. Then all students will be there because you are adding two classes. Then you go to below that there is the date due, and that date due you can change according to your convenience. Like first, if you want to schedule that in future, and like you just click on this and select that date. Like I am selecting the date 15th of October, and you can write here time. You also can click here and you can choose the time, like I am just giving that 11 a.m. If you want to 11:10, then just edit, then you can put type here 11:10. Then you go to the due date and choose that date after this time, maybe same day or maybe on the next day, according to your convenient. Then I just want to give that quiz for 5 minutes, like there is only one question. According to you, you can give the time. I am just giving the 5 minutes, then I give it 11:15. You just check these, there is the AM, there is PM, you just do that correct. Okay, then there is a close time. If you pick this close time, then any of the student cannot submit their quiz after this close date. If I am putting 11:15, then there is no submission for the student. If you want to give time, extra time for 2 4 5 minutes for submission after due time, then you can simply put here, just I am giving 1 minute. If you do not tick this, then they can submit their assignment at 11:15, above 11:15 time, at 11:20 also. Okay, but that will be shown in your MS Team that this student will be submitting their assignment after the due time, 2 minutes late or 5 minutes late. That will be shown in your MS Team. Okay, then you go and click to done, and you just schedule this quiz. That's all how you are creating a quiz. And you can see here, this is the AMP quiz due October 15 2020, and 11:15 is the time. If you want to edit anything, then you just simply click on this quiz and you edit all the things here. You can see again that will be, and this is the icon where you go to update. You also can delete this, also can cancel this quiz. Okay, and then you can see how a quiz will be visible to you after submission. This is the way. I'm just written all these assignments, so these are the visible in their written. Otherwise they will be shown in to you into two written. Okay, and this is the quiz attempted by the students, and there is the marks. uh, in the 10 they are having 7, 8, 5. You can also see all these things. Just go to the assignment and click on that assignment name which you given. You also can export these detail into the Excel, and also can open in the form which you create, and sometime there will be edit in the question. You also can edit that question, like just clicking on the open in the form. Like this is again, you can see all the responses are there. And what are the questions you can see here. First question will be responses by 6 students correct, one by elastic limit, and which option will be selected more. If there is any correction in the quiz, then you just click on that quiz and then you mention that answer, and here you can see the all the answers responses. Okay, and you can directly go to the office forms.office.com site, and you can create new quiz from here, and then you can also uh, schedule that on the MS team, because you got that assignment for that team. Okay, this is all about for how to create a quiz in the MS team with the MS form. Okay, I hope you will be having some advantages by this video. Thank you very much.